Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make a duet video on TikTok, and here is how it is done. Open TikTok app. First, navigate to the TikTok app on your phone and tap on its icon to launch it. Find a video for duet. Once the app is open, scroll through your feed or search for the video you want to duet with. Tap the share icon. After selecting the video, tap on the share icon located on the left vertical menu of the video. Select duet option. In the share menu at the bottom, tap the duet option. It might take a few moments to load, so be patient. Record your duet. On the left side of the screen, you will see your camera stream, and on the right side, the video you selected will appear. Tap the red button to start recording your duet. Complete and edit the duet. Once you are done recording, tap the checkmark to proceed. You can edit the video by adding captions. You can also tag friends if you want. Post the duet. Tap on the next button. And finally, tap post to share your duet on TikTok. And that is everything you need to know about how to make a duet video on TikTok. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.